Hi everyone, welcome back to the another session, and I hope you're really enjoying our videos. So please, whatever you're making, our Instagram channel link is given below in the description. You can definitely go there and send us our projects, and we are really going to tag you. And yeah, so let's start with another topic that we are going to learn today, and it's based on Halloween. So everybody knows about it, I guess. Means it's a kind of culture that we celebrate in foreign, and everybody will make different characters that's based on different and weird characters. So yeah, we will be creating a game based on that. So again, we are going to do it on Scratch. So you will open scratch.mit.edu, and now I'm going to select the sprites. So the very first sprite I want to select is witch. So I will just search for WI, and yeah, I got this sprite. Now the second sprite I want for my game is a ghost sprite, so I'm taking it. The third sprite I want a ball as a bullet sprite. The fourth sprite I want a bat, so I'm taking it. And the fifth one I am creating it with the help of paint. So I just select the text. Actually, this I want to make you win or you lose criteria. So I will write you lose, and the text I am just going to change, and I will make it like that, like quite bigger, and I'll hide it. And again, I will create another one that is you win. So I will write you win. And again, I just want to arrange it properly onto the screen. It should be bigger in size so that everyone can visible. And yeah, it's visible right now, and I can hide it right now. Okay, so the very first thing, I need to arrange all my characters. The bat sprite, this is my witch, this is ghost, and this is the bullet for my witch. Okay, so what is going to happen? I also need one backdrop. So let me select the backdrop that looks like a night kind of thing. So I can take this one nebula. Okay, I like it. Let's see. Yes, this is really interesting. It's looking like something is magical happening there. Okay, I can see that the sprites are very big in size, and I really want to make their sizes properly. So what I'm going to do is that I will give some size to my sprite. So here I will make 60 for witch sprite. That's cool. The ball sprite size I will make as 30. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. The ghost sprite I will give as 60. Okay, that's also fine. And the bat sprite I will give a size as like ghost sprite, that's 60. Okay, that's cool. Now let's come to the witch sprite. What I want is that throughout the game there should be a very beautiful and mild sound coming here. So okay, the sound we can add later. Let's first focus on the code part. So first I will go to the event, and I will take when green flag click. Then what will happen? Of course, we all know go to X and Y is defining the position of my sprite. So this is my sprite, and I'm giving it a position that whenever I start the game, my sprite position should be this only. Okay, after this, what I will do is I will create two variables. One is score, for making the score for all sprites you will mark, and the second variable I will make for lives, and I'll click OK. So I will take set lives to and set score. So I want, like, I'm giving 5 lives to my witch sprite, and the score I will set as 0. So it's done. Now what I will do next is I will take forever, and I want my which sprite to move up, down, left, right. It's very easy. Like most of the time we use this concept. So of course we will take the conditional statements for time, and I will go to the sensing and I will take key pressed block. So I'm taking it for like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here I will change it to up arrow key. This will be the down arrow key. This will be the right arrow key, and this will be the left arrow key. After this, I will go to the motion, and you all know that if we are going to left and right, X will change, top to bottom, Y will change. Okay, so if I want to go up, of course, the Y will change. So take this up, down, Y we will take, and for right and left, we will take the X. So for Y, it's having 10, I will make it 5, and it will be -5 because something is going down, the Y will be in negative. The same thing with right. I will make it 5 in X, and I will make -5 in left side. So left will be minus and right will be plus. So I guess this is done. Now what next I will do, I will share my screen again by sharing the audio, because now I am doing the audio selection. So I will go to the sounds, and I want to select one sound from here. So I will write cave, and I got the cave sound. It's like, okay. So this sound I'm going to take. So I'll go to events, and I will take when green flag click. Then I will go to the forever, and I will go to sounds, and I will take play sound cave until done. Now if I make it start, I can move my sprite up, down, left, right. Now I will stop this game, and what I'm going to do here is that I will come to my bullet sprite, because I really want my bullet sprite to be at the position where the witch is standing. So the very first thing, I will come to the bullet sprite, and it's universal that we will take when green flag clicked, right? Now I will give this bullet a position where witch will be there, and I will hide it up onto the witch. I will come onto the bullet sprite, and I will give the command when game start, it will be at the position, and initially the bullet sprite should be hidden. Now I will take the another event, and I will use the forever block. I will take the conditional statement, because I want when I press the space key, the bullet should shoot by the witch sprite. Okay, so I'm going to the sensing. I will take, I will take key press blocks. If space key press block, then what is going to happen? Clone. Clone is something, means we are creating the copy of something, right? I want bullets to be there all the time, right? So I will create a clone of my same bullet. That's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to control, and I will take create a clone of myself, and then I will take a wait block from wait for 1 second, but no, I will take wait until what? Wait until the space key is not pressed. Okay, when space key pressed, then only bullet will be, I will shoot the bullet, otherwise it will not. So I will go to operators, and I will take not, and I will go to sensing, and I will take key pressed block. So until not key space pressed. Yeah, I guess everyone is getting it. Okay, now when the clone starts, then what will happen? So when I start as a clone, I want it should go to the which position. So I'm taking go to random position. And when you go for the option, you will find which as an option. Now you will take point in direction block. So I'm taking point in direction block. And when you go to the sensing, actually the point in direction should be the direction of the which. So I will take this backdrop of a stage block from the sensing. And you will use this like first you will change here and change it to which, and this you will change it to direction. Okay, so the point and direction will be direction of the which, and now the motion I will take that move 10 steps over here. And after this I really want to show the bullet sprite, and this thing is going to happen. So I will take repeat until this is going to happen, repeat until it will touching the edge. So I will go to sensing and touching edge, touching edge, touching mouse pointer. So of course I will change it to edge. Okay, and now I will go to motion and I will take move 10 steps, and at the end I want to delete this. So this clone, so I'm checking it out now. Press space key. Every time when I press, bullet will be there, otherwise nothing. It should move according to the sprite. I'm moving it with the arrow keys and something is going to happen. Okay, so that's done. Now the next task is the ghost one. Okay, so what we are going to do with the ghost, of course with the ghost also we are going to create a clone, because ghost itself is one sprite and I want to create again and again a copy of a sprite. So I will take when green flag click, I will set the rotation style for the ghost. Then I want to hide my ghost. I'm taking hide block. I will go to controls and I'm taking forever block. Then I will take a wait, but I'm not defining it as 1 second, 2 second. I'm defining in between the random number, it should wait. So I will go to operator and I will take pick random. And from 1 to 3, I'm selecting that it should wait. And then I will go here and I will take create a clone of myself. Okay. Now what we are going to do when I start as a clone, this is a main task. Like when you start as a clone, then what's going to happen? So yeah, the point of direction will be 90, and it should go to the random position, set X position for my ghost. So I'm setting X position, and the X position will be 240. So at right hand side, the position, maximum position is 240. So I'm setting up that my ghost X position must be 240. I really want to show my ghost onto the screen. Then position towards means wherever my ghost will be, its position should towards, the ghost position. So basically it's a point towards, so I'm taking point. Okay. Yeah, I think that much has completed by everybody. Now let's continue with the next part. So point towards which, now guess what will be the next block. So of course the next block will be the repeat until block. So I'm taking repeat until block, and it will touch the wedge. So I will take, when this is going to touch the wedge, means it should repeat until it's touching the wedge sprite. Okay, because which has to kill that ghost sprite. Yeah, that same thing happens. Till then it should move with 10 steps. Then it should wait for 0.3 seconds. So I'm just checking it as 0.3 seconds. And now I will take that conditional statement, if conditional statement for 2 times. Now with one conditional statement, I will give the condition touching, 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 touching. Yes, I got it. Touching ball. Okay, so when it touches ball, then of course we have a score because we killed the ghost. Yeah, so what we are going to do is we will go to the variable, we will take change score by 1. Yes. Okay, and after that we are going to delete this clone. Yes, of course. Now the next part is that if your ghost will reach at a particular range, or it's touching an edge of the particular range, it should hide, right? So the same thing we will do with the operator. We will use AND operator because here are 2 conditions we have. I will take this greater than block. I will take X position from motion. So I'm taking this X position from motion. Ting, tong, yes. And here I will write minus 240 and touching edge. So yeah, I will go here and I will take this block touching mouse pointer, at least with mouse pointer, I'll make it edge. And when this happens, then of course I want to delete this clone. Yeah, this happens. Now what happens is after that I will create one broadcast, and this broadcast message should be lose life. Okay, so lose life. Okay, and I click OK. And now I will go to the control and I will take delete this clone. Now when I receive this broadcast, so I will take, when I receive message lose life, then what will happen? Then it's going to delete this clone. So this is your complete code. Okay, you can watch it once, then I will proceed to the next step of this. So which is done, ball is done. Now there is a thing that is you lose and you win, and one sprite, that is the bet sprite. So first let's do with the bet sprite. I will continue with the bet, and I will take this when green flag click the forever. I want this to be guided at the random position. Actually, what this bet will do, if it touches the witch sprite, then it loses the life. So witch has to save herself with the bet, but bet randomly onto the screen. Okay, so that's what we are doing now. The next costume I want to take, and it should wait for 1 second, and then I will take if conditional statements for 2 times. What is the statement? I will take is equals to for 2 times. This is actually the scoring statement. The statement is basically, the first one is if touching. If touching. Okay, so if touching the witch, then what will happen? Then of course I will go to variable and I will take change score by -1. Okay, now if lives is equals to 0, then what happens? Then I will call the broadcast lose life. Okay, now the second thing is if I will take is equals to variable if score is equals to 15, then I will make one more broadcast, and this broadcast will win game. Okay, when there is a criteria of something win and something lose, of course I will come to do this is you lose. Okay, Initially, what I want is that when the game start, I want to hide this, and the position actually I want to give. So I will give position here. Okay, so I will go to motion and I will take go to X and Y. So first you will give position and then you will take X and Y. So this is you lose. So of course you will go here and you will take a broadcast. When I receive lose live, then you will show this and you will stop all. Yeah, the same thing you will do for you win. What will happen for you when acha, I will hide this. Oh no, I will hide this one for now. I will come for you win and I will take this when green flag click. Go to X and Y. So yeah, this is at exact position and I want to hide this. And now when I receive the broadcast, so when when I receive win game, it has to show the sprite and everything will stop. So this is the final code. Let's see how it works. I will run it. Woo. I lose. But what happened is that my lives are not decreasing. Let's see the bug. Here at the bat, change score by -1. Change lives by -1. Oh my god, that was the bug. And I was thinking why it's not happening. Okay, let's start again. Oh. I have to save myself from that. No, don't come here. Again, I'm losing the game. Okay, it's all right, no problem. By the way, one thing also is going to happen, like change lives by -1, that's fine. But lives are 5, score is 0, and if I come up here, score, if touching ball, the ghost score is changing by 1. Okay, delete. Okay, 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 okay. So here lives are getting minus, but it's showing later. Okay, wait. That's why I think it's a wait for some time for move, I guess. Because here's 4 and I'm losing the game. But yeah, I know that the bat touches lots of time. So let's see again. Okay, basically I'm not doing anything just to see the lights. Something is happening. Broadcast lose life. Okay, if I touch the ghost also, then also I will lose the life. Yeah, that's why this is happening with me, because my lives with bat is remaining. But if I touch the ghost, if I cannot shoot them, or if I touch with the bats, right, then this happens. Yeah. So, okay, kids, I hope you enjoy making the game. One time again, I will show you the code. So this is the final code for ghost. See it carefully. This is the final code for witch. This is the final code for ball. This is the bag. This is you lose, you win, and it's done. So please make the project and send us on Instagram. Let's meet you next time. Bye-bye.